Let's turn to our first alert weather now, and we actually have some rain. Not a lot of it, but some sprinkles headed our way.
Using the windshield wipers a few times tomorrow, mid-morning to the early afternoon. It's a part of a front that's going to bring us another surge of cool air just in time for the weekend. Here's what we're tracking tonight. Tomorrow, mid-morning through the afternoon, a couple of sprinkles, maybe a light shower. We'll be dry, though, after sunset for tomorrow. Part of that front that will bring those temperatures down on Saturday to 64. We'll be back up to 67 degrees on Sunday. And a preview of next week, most days featuring above average high temperatures, including 70-degree weather in the forecast on Monday. We had some good rain earlier this week, 1 to 2 inches. Didn't help the drought situation. The brand new drought monitor released this morning showing increasing moderate drought conditions. We need some solid rain chances around here. Unfortunately, the front that's headed our way tomorrow isn't really to do that. It's going to settle the dust. That's about it. Maybe a trace of rain, a couple of hundredths of an inch. That's about it in the forecast. So we're clear now. Watch the clouds, though, increase by tomorrow morning. We're dry for the morning commute, but again, by midday, we got a couple of areas of sprinkles or light showers on the radar. Temperature is right around 1 o'clock. We'll be in the 60s, and then we'll make our way into the mid to upper 60s by the late afternoon. Here's the frontal position as we head towards 11 p.m. for tomorrow night, and that's going to help squeeze you the moisture out of here, bringing us some cooler air for your Saturday. Those high temperatures low to mid 60s, a little bit of cloud cover near the lakeside, and then those temperatures will be a bit warmer as we head towards your Sunday. East wind off the lake on Saturday at 64 degrees. There will be some 70s in the forecast out in the far west and southwest suburbs. For your Sunday, more of a south wind will bring the temperatures up, especially along and south of I-80. So Sunday afternoon, maybe as warm as 75 Joliet and Kankakee, 77 in Ottawa. Upper 60s, though, expected right along the immediate lakeshore. Speaking of Sunday, 7 a.m. for marathon runners. We're in the low 50s. The temperature's warm to near 60 degrees at 9 o'clock. And then in the 60s we go at 11 p.m. We're looking at a mostly clear sky and light winds out of the east at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Also on Sunday here on CBS, we've got two games here on the network. Noon, Cleveland at Pittsburgh with a chance of rain in the morning, and Green Bay hosting Cincinnati. That's our 3:25 game, expecting mid-60s and a partly cloudy sky up the road in Green Bay. Mostly clear and 48 degrees for tonight. Some upper 30s possible in parts of northwest Indiana. That's where some light frost will also be possible by tomorrow morning. And then we'll look for breeze coming in more out of the southwest. That's ahead of that front that will boost those highs mid to upper 60s for tomorrow. Bit cooler, breezy wind at 64 degrees on Saturday. Lots of sun and 67 degrees on Sunday, mid 70s on Monday. And even though we have those temperatures settling back into the 60s Tuesday, Wednesday, it's still featuring right around, if not just above average for this time of the year. Week from today, back up to around 70 degrees. So no real frigid air in the forecast, at least not yet.
Okay, thank you, Albert.